Welcome to haslipcycleworks. I'm Robert, and today we're jumping right back into Project Vulcan. And like I said, we're jumping right back into this project. Not a whole lot of talking, we're just going to jump into it and we're going to start working. So here we go. Alright guys, like I said, not a whole lot of talking in this one. Just a whole lot of work on the Vulcan. We got a lot done in this episode. It may not seem like it because it was short, but trust me, got a lot done. Gonna call it here though, because I need to get this edited and uploaded so you guys can view it in time. As soon as I'm done filming this and downloading the SD card to the PC, I am going to come back down here and continue work. We need to finish up the battery holder box. I got to put that one filler plate on this back section of the frame here. Like I said, I got to finish our battery holder up. Everything's just tacked in place. I need to finish welding everything, and I may add an extra couple of tube gussets here, but the back end's wrapping up. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys. I'm gonna jump back on this, do some more recording, and I'll see you in the next one. But until then, get up, get out, and do it.